everyone and welcome back. Before we get into the painting process, I want to say a few things. I couldn't not acknowledge the fact of the global lockdown and this pandemic. I hope you're all doing well during these days that can get very boring, overwhelming and scary. We're all in this together and let us stay home and stay safe. In today's video, I'll be using acrylic paint to redecorate some random objects laying around my room. We have time on our hands, it's time to roll up our sleeve and let us invest in a way to relax, emerge, rise and benefit ourselves and others, separate but together, distant but united. Try to stay positive and think of the time you needed to spend with yourself and putting your hectic daily life routine on pause. This is the time to discover new things you always wanted to learn and finish some old projects that you've been dragging your feet on and always blamed the lack of time for not doing. A lot of online courses are provided for free lately all over the world in an effort to go through this pandemic and do the many unfinished things that have been on your to-do list forever. You can start with redecorating your room, install some new items, manage your finances, put aside the items that you need to throw away, reduce clutter and just organize everything. This will help clear your head and make your surroundings more relaxing to you. You can start learning a new instrument, read the books you bought and never got to read. Silver lining is this is a good time to reconnect with your family. To some old friends or close people who moved, call them up, check up on them. We usually get so busy with our lives that we forget to connect to the people which we find next to us. And these are just a few ideas to keep yourself busy, because staying alone at home for a long time can make you really anxious and feel lonely in some kind of way. So just be sure that you're not alone and everyone is going through the same thing. Always reach out and keep in touch with the people that make you feel good. And I'll make another video with more objects. I have so many ideas I still want to do. If after watching this you felt inspired and painted on one of your objects, please make sure to take a picture and tag me. I would love to see your art. You can just contact me and tell me what else you do throughout your day and how your days are going if you feel like it. Stay home and stay safe, relax and give yourself a break without any regrets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys next time.